You only need 1 minute to get rid of mice and rats, naturally and permanently. Say goodbye to pricey pest control services and complicated traps, because with this trick, you'll finally have a natural way to keep rodents out of your space for good. First, we're going to need a spiral mosquito repellent coil. We only need a small piece, so don't worry about using the whole thing. Grab a section of the coil and place it in a mortar. Now, grind it down until it turns into a fine powder. Mosquito coils are designed to repel insects, but their strong scent also acts as a deterrent for other pests. The powdered form is perfect for our method, creating a powerful natural repellent that targets rodents without any harmful chemicals. Let me know where you're watching from today. I love connecting with all of you from different places. Today's shout out goes to Adele from South Africa. Thanks for being here and supporting the channel. Once the coil is ground up, transfer the powder to a glass container. Next up, we're going to need some peanuts. About 1 cup will do. Place the peanuts in the mortar and grind them until they're also in a powdery form. Once that's done, pour the peanut powder into a separate glass container. Peanuts have a scent and flavor that rodents find irresistible, making it the perfect bait. Combined with the other ingredients, the peanut powder will attract mice and rats naturally. After that, take a plum tomato and cut it in half. We'll be using this as a base for our mixture. Now, add a tablespoon of baking soda to the container holding the ground mosquito coil and mix it well. Baking soda adds an extra kick, helping the mixture to do its job more effectively by reacting inside the rodent's stomach. Baking soda is a natural pest repellent. When ingested, it reacts inside the rodent's digestive systems, causing an effect that discourages them from returning. Now, take each half of the tomato and sprinkle the mixture evenly across both halves. Make sure to cover the surface well. Once you've done that, take a bit of the peanut powder and sprinkle it on top of the mixture on each tomato half. The scent of the peanut powder will attract rodents quickly, so make sure you're ready to place this where it's needed. Many of us have dealt with the annoyance of mice and rats invading our homes, searching for food, and causing a mess. Pest control options are often expensive and filled with harsh chemicals, which can be harmful, especially if you have kids or pets around. With this trick, you're creating an all-natural rodent repellent that will deter and eliminate mice and rats without the need for toxic products. Place these tomato halves in areas where you notice rodents often roam. Once they consume this mixture, their digestive systems will be affected, naturally eliminating them and keeping them from coming back.